Hey, how's it going everyone? Today we're going to do a quick review on this carbon fiber spoiler that I picked up off of Amazon. This is a 2024 Toyota Supra that I have. So let me give you a closer look at the spoiler here. I have the carbon fiber mirror caps on the car as an option from the factory, and so I think this particular carbon fiber part will complement those very well. The weave looks really nice and it has a really nice clear coat. The kit also comes with 3M tape, and I already applied that to the spoiler here. So very easy to apply and ready to go. So let's take a closer look at the car and I'll show you how I prep the surface and get this ready to install. Okay, and next thing I'm going to do is get some alcohol here, just your normal alcohol, and we'll clean the area where the tape is going to be wanting to attach. Just make sure that those areas are nice and clean. So just do like that. Okay, so that's about all you got to do to prep the surface. Just get it real clean, then hit it with the alcohol, and then we are ready for the next step to test fit. Okay. Okay, so now we're just going to just test fit this. The 3M tape is still like that. Basically what I'm wanting to do is just make sure that this is in the right orientation. And then the next step is I'm going to take some painter's tape. I'm going to apply it to the vehicle and outline where the tips of the spoiler are going to be lining up. That way it'll help me put this on when I'm ready. Okay, so I have it test fitted and I have some painter's tape applied to the car. That way I can kind of line up this part of the spoiler with that part of the car to make sure it's nice and centered. And then in the very middle, I put another piece of painter's tape with a mark on it. So as I lower it onto the car, I can line it up with that spot. And then over here, I did it again with this tip and just apply a little bit of painter's tape to outline the edge of where this one is supposed to line up as well. So that's basically how I have it test fitted and lined up. So let me show you what I do next. Okay, so on the spoiler, I went ahead and got this red part of the tape started. Went ahead and peeled back a little bit here, and I got some painter's tape just to hold it in place for a moment. I labeled this one number 1 because when I get on the car, I'm going to want to pull this one first so that we can get this uncovered. And then at the other end, I have 2 more. This one is the second one I'm going to pull. So once it's on the car, I'll pull this strip off. And then the third one, I'll pull that one last. And then we'll put some pressure on it and get it to stick the car really good. But that's basically it. Okay, so let's try the install here. So I'm going to try and line this up in the center here with my center mark, like that. Okay, so that looks really good. Looks good on that end, looks good on that end. So let's go ahead and pull our first strip. Okay. All right, so just pull gently. You don't want to break the red part of the tape. There we go. Okay, and then we'll do the second one. So same thing, just kind of pull it at a little bit of an angle and it'll come off real easy like that. Don't need to pull real hard. There we go. And then for the last strip, That one's coming out real easy. Okay, there we go. So now we can apply our pressure and push it down and make sure it sticks to the car really well. Okay, and that's about it. The wing is now installed and we can take our painter's tape off. Okay, so let's take a closer look here now that we're all done with the install. Looks really good fitment. Overall, I think this adds a nice touch to the car, matches the carbon fiber mirror caps, gives it a nice little bit of an aggressive stance here towards the back. So this is going to be a really cool spoiler to have. Pretty happy with it. Yeah, it looks really cool. Looks really good with the black on red color combo that this car has, so it complements that very well. So overall, pretty happy with this install, and I'll see you guys in the next one.